Hello grade 5. I am Teacher Russell of Lananpin Elementary School and I am your teacher for today's lesson. Our lesson is about multiplying up to 2 decimal places by 1 to 2 digit whole numbers. Before we start our lesson, make sure that you have your learning module in math so that you can easily follow my discussion in this lesson. Okay, let's begin. Here is our points to remember. It says here, to multiply decimals by whole numbers, multiply them like whole numbers. Then count the number of decimal places in the factors like you are multiplying whole numbers. Then, count the number of decimal places in the factors to determine number of decimal places in the product. Okay, for us to really understand this concept, let's try to solve some examples. Find the product of the following. In number 1, we have 5.2 times 3. First, we are going to rewrite this mathematical sentence into this. Okay, now we must multiply them as we multiply whole numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6 and 5 times 3 equals 15 and the answer is 156. Then, how many numbers do we have to the right at the decimal point? So we have decimal point in 5.2 and we don't have decimal point in 3. So we only have one number to the right of the decimal point of 5.2, which is number 2. By that, our final answer should be the same. So the answer should be 15 and 6 tenths. Another example, 4.73 times 12. Okay, same process. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 7 equals 14. Write 4 and we regroup number 1. Then 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Next, 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 4 equals 4. Then let's add. We bring down 6 and 4 plus 3 equals 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Okay, write number 6 and regroup number 1. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then the answer is 5,676. Now, because we are multiplying decimals, we must count again the numbers to the right of the decimal points. We have decimal point in 4.73 or 4 and 73 hundredths. And we don't have one in 12. Okay, by that we have two numbers to the right of the decimal point of 4.73, which are 7 and 3. Okay, and the final answer should be the same. So the final answer is 56 and 76 hundredths. Now, for the third item, I will give you the opportunity to answer that on your own. If you have any questions, just ask your parents or your teacher for guidance. Okay, by that, thank you for watching and I hope you understand our lesson for today. Goodbye!